All right, YouTube, I thought I'd make a video showcasing my post jack and how it works. This tool has made me literally tens of thousands of dollars over the last 4 or 5 years. I use it all the time. It's the biggest labor saver of any tool I have. Slowly lifts the sled, latching it every inch on its way up, which allows you to lift tremendous weight with very little incremental physical effort. This isn't an instant fix. You don't just chain it up to a post and jack it till the post is out. Sometimes you'll need to wiggle the post. Sometimes you'll need to dig it out or pry up on the post as you do it. I'm not saying this thing will immediately lift any post and concrete footing out of the ground, but what I am saying is it'll provide you with the static lifting power of 5 or 10 men pulling straight up on a chain. And that makes getting a post out through the other traditional means much easier, such as wiggling it, digging it out, prying it up with the board. So for demonstrative purposes, I'm gonna bring in this here spare tire, which lifting this vertically wouldn't require near the vertical lifting power of a concrete footing stuck in the mud 2 feet down, but it'll at least give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Okay, so now as a simple demonstration, I got a chain with a hook on one end and just bare chain stock on the other, 3/8 log chain. So I'm gonna fish a couple links through the hole in the heel of the jack. I'm gonna just real crudely hook the tire up, and then we're gonna apply a little lift just to kind of show you what I'm talking about with this particular jack. And there you have it. Again, this doesn't require quite the lifting force that lifting a post and its concrete footing 2 foot deep in the mud would have, but it just shows you the basic function of this jack. But like I said, if you've got a wood post that is broken off, but it is still in decent shape, you can run a bolt 10-inch long wood lag down through one of these links into the broken wood post and then jack it up, and typically it'll lift it straight out. The jack was $129. This is one 10-foot board cut in half. A treated 2x4 was probably $6, and then this bolt and nut and 2 washers was maybe another $5. And you could save yourself literally days of labor with a post jack like this. I use it all the time. I've had this particular one for over 4 years now. It is by far my biggest labor saver of any piece of equipment I own. This has made me more money by itself than any other piece of equipment I own. So I just wanted to show you how that works. Okay, as promised, I'm gonna show you the inner workings. So again, you've got this hole in the heel of the jack designed to run a log chain through. That's the whole point of it. Over here, this is the arm. When it's down, then it'll let the weight off. When it's up, and this one's old, sometimes it does slip, but when it's up, you hear the click, 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 click. You're lifting an inch at a time. And really, this would lift something thousands of pounds, honestly. I mean, that's pretty much the basics of it. I just wanted to share this with y'all, because if you're out there trying to start a fence business and you struggle with removing the old posts, whether they're broken off or just leaning or bent, I mean, making a post jack is going to be so worth your money. So join me on the next one. I got videos. Stay tuned. I appreciate you watching.